Bonjour. I hope you had a great spring break. If you're like me, it was probably pretty boring, but hopefully it meant at least a break from schoolwork for you. I want to walk you through a couple of things just to help you moving forward this week because we're coming out of spring break. The first is if you're not in a really good mood about your grade. If your grade is not where you like it, chances are for the vast majority of you, it's for one reason. And that is the défi oral. So if you go to the daily schedule, Unit 7, the very first day and the very first assignment is this défi oral. So what you need to do, you click on it, it'll open up a slide, and you need to come up with a shopping list. This is for class, so it says to work with a partner, but you can't really do that. So what you're going to do is just do your side of the conversation. So I've given you a choice of meals to choose from. Let's say we're doing stew. So in French, you would say bonjour, and then I'm going to switch to English, and you say, I'm going to eat stew. I am going to buy beef and some mushrooms and some carrots and some potatoes, and I'm going to drink a soda. And then ask, what are you buying? And then you're done. So you just need to record that either on a phone or Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using right now, works really well, and then just share the video file with me. That's 10 points. All of your other homework assignments are worth 1. So this is basically 10 homework assignments in 1 because it's kind of comprehensive and deals with kind of everything from Unit 6. Okay, now looking forward to this week. Your first assignment is a listening comprehension thing. I've recorded myself describing in French what my bedroom looks like. And then I've given you an outline of my bedroom. And your only point of reference is the door. Okay, so keep it oriented the way it is, kind of up and down. And I'm going to kind of tell you where things are. Some things next to the door, across from the door, and then from there. So just do your best to sketch in what you hear. Okay, tomorrow is a little bit more practice with RE verbs. We're going to learn a new preposition, which is chez. Very French and really nice because in one word you have 4. Chez means at the house of. So if you say, where are you going? And I say, je vais chez mon ami, I'm going to the house of my friend. Keep in mind we've got Quizlets to do every day. Those are 5 points a week, so well worth keeping up on, and that's really the best way of learning vocabulary in the format we have with the online thing. You're going to be doing a writing assignment. You're going to be doing some grammar things, describing rooms, and just kind of Friday is kind of a wrap-up review, kind of using all of the vocabulary and grammar that we've been talking about this unit. And then just know that your exam is going to be on Monday, so the 13th. What it's going to consist of is a défi oral. So it's going to be that oral thing like we just talked about in Unit 6 that we do every day after the written test. And then I'm going to have you take the vocabulary test on Quizlet. And I'll give you the set. It'll be a specific set of vocabulary just for the test. You'll do the test function in the Quizlet, and then I'll just record your score. You can take it as many times as you want until you get the score you want. So just kind of looking ahead to know that we're wrapping up this unit, and we'll be testing on Monday, and then we'll be moving on to Unit 8 next Tuesday. I hope this helps at least give you a rough idea of what's going on and what to anticipate. If you have questions or concerns, if you're feeling a little bit unsure about the test, I'm here to help you. I'm also going to send out an email this week about some office hours that I'll be holding, so that should hopefully help you feel a little bit more prepared for the test.